Welcome everybody to today's English lesson brought to you by Riddick's English. Today we're going to study the GL consonant blended sound. GL. Go, go, go. So let's jump right in and get started. Glad, glad, glad. I am glad you could come to my party. Glance, glance, glance. She took a quick glance at the clock and realized she was late. Glare, glare, glare. The girl gave the boy an angry glare. Glass, glass, glass. The boys broke the window glass playing baseball. Globe, globe, globe. The teacher showed us the different countries on the globe. Gloomy, gloomy, gloomy. The sky was gloomy and it looked like it was going to rain. Gloves, gloves, gloves. I wear gloves to keep my hands warm in the winter. Glue, glue, glue. Use the glue to stick the pieces of paper together. Glow, glow, glow. The fireflies began to glow as the sun disappeared for the night. Glitter, glitter, glitter. The glitter on the card made it sparkle beautifully. And that's all for the GL consonant blend. Keep practicing and I promise your pronunciation and vocabulary will both continue to get better. This is Robert from Riddick's English asking you to please like, share, and comment on this video. And as always, we would ask you to please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to grow. That's all for today. I'll see you next time with another short English lesson.